Man, now I'm talking about, yeah, man, you know me, man. I like to slay them busters, man. Now I'm talking about, yeah, man. It's for all them hoe ass niggas, man. You know what I'm talking about? That thought it was sweet. Bitch, it ain't sweet, nigga. You know what I'm talking about? Never, nigga. So I'ma chop you up on this motherfucking track, nigga. You know what I'm talking about? Drag you across the motherfucking tracks, nigga. Here come the train, nigga. Fuck if you want to, nigga. Talking about, you don't wanna see it, nigga. Talking about, I keep a big motherfucking pistol grip. Hell yeah, nigga, slap you on your lips with that motherfucking thing. Pop, 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 bitch ass niggas. Talking about where you hang, hit you where you slang. Bitch ass niggas, all you love to do is gang bang. Hoe ass niggas, you don't fight no more. Bitch ass niggas, hey man, catch you in a motherfucking store trying to buy some more blunts. Hell yeah, nigga, now this what you want. I'ma buck you down, shoot you up like it's James motherfucking Wild Wild West, nigga. Ain't no thing, nigga. Slang it if you want to, bitch ass nigga. I will hurt you, fuck you, I will buck you. Buck if you motherfucking want to. Step if you motherfucking want to. Get your ass slapped like a motherfucking bitch, dude. Hey man, I'll fuck up your whole crew. I come through there, dog, with that motherfucking chopper. Lay your asses down, now hicking on helicopters. Tryna motherfucking fight for life. Hell yeah, dog, I will shoot up the fight for life and make sure you don't make it. Bitch ass niggas, I know you really can't take it. Hell yeah, I'm out, dog, and I'm straight gangster, nigga. You don't wanna see it, you don't wanna feel it, nigga. I'm a straight killer, I ride by myself. I will fuck you up, ain't nothing left. Ain't nothing to talk about, contract on your head, fuck that shit, nigga. You can't run to the Facebook if you want to, fuck with me if you want to. I will fucking hurt you, dog, you don't wanna see it, dude. I'm a straight real nigga, hell yeah, I keep that gold, nigga. Top my fuck a Tommy Hill figure, I don't wear that shit, nigga. Versace, my nigga, hell yeah, I'm trying to copy. Hell yeah, they used to call me Prince Oppie. Hell yeah, naughty Prince Poppy. Hell yeah, buck if you motherfucking want to. Fuck me if you want to. Bitch ass nigga, I will hurt you. Hell yeah, you don't wanna see it, nigga. Hell yeah, man, I'm in my camouflage, nigga. Hell yeah, man, army fatigue. Hell yeah, man, I'm laying in some leaves and you don't even see me. You creeping with the next nigga, bitch. Hell yeah, man, catch you in your own shit. Press out some more of it. Yeah, I'm talking about freestyle. Hey, man, this is for the whole worldwide struggle, my niggas. Yeah, man. Rest in peace, Trayvon Martin, man. Salute to the real niggas, man. Yeah, church.